In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Oukitel K13 Pro. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and from here begin a search for an app. Enter Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, begin customization, so you can sign in to turn on sync. I'm gonna do it later. Set up for your data sharing preferences. You can either agree or disagree. I'm gonna disagree and move to the next step. And lastly is to set your Microsoft Edge as a default browser. If you don't want it, click Not Now. If you want it set as default. From here, find the browser app, select Edge, go back. And now our Edge should be working properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.